हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू प्रोफेसर एस पी गोयल आईएएस क्लासरूम। प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, जिन बच्चों ने कोर्स में रजिस्टर किया था, बहुत सारे बच्चों की रिक्वेस्ट आई कि सर एक मॉक टेस्ट पॉलिटी का बना दीजिए, स्ट्रक्चर अपने आप कीजिए आप। तो मैंने क्या किया, करंट अफेयर्स एक साल के और स्टैटिक लक्ष्मीकांत दोनों को मिला के जैसे एग्जामिनर करता है ना, उसी पैटर्न पे क्वेश्चन बनाए। और ये जो आपका 16 जून को टेस्ट है, उसमें आपकी ये इवेल्युएशन है, टेस्ट है आपका ये, आपके कितने क्वेश्चन ठीक होते हैं। इसी पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन आएंगे। यूपीएससी वो क्वेश्चन लाता है जो कहीं ना कहीं न्यूज़पेपर में डिस्कस होते हैं, चाहे वो पॉलिटी के हो, ज्योग्राफी के हो, एनवायरमेंट के हो, साइंस के हो। तो प्यारे विद्यार्थी देखिए, ये मॉक टेस्ट लेके आए पॉलिटी का। ये 10 क्वेश्चन है, 40 स्टेटमेंट बनाने में मुझे 2 घंटे लगे। और कई बार स्टेटमेंट को गलत कैसे करना है, कंफ्यूज कैसे होंगे बच्चे, ये सारा एग्जामिनर जो सोचता है ना, पेपर सेटर, उसी माइंड से मैंने बनाया। अब पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए, लिली थॉमस वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 2013, जजमेंट ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ए कन्विक्शन which carries a sentence of 2 years or more will automatically result in disqualification of MP or MLA. In Lal Prahari case, the Supreme Court said on appeal, if the conviction is suspended, the disqualification will also remain suspended. Article 102 of the Constitution, President of India shall obtain opinion of the Election Commission of India if any question arises as to whether a member of parliament has become subject to any disqualification. Article 102 of the Constitution provides for declaration of the president necessary in disqualification of sitting member of the parliament. How many of the above statements are correct? Now, question number 2, consider the following pairs. These have been structured from the book and newspaper. First Amendment Act 1951, 9th schedule was added. 31st Amendment Act 1972, increased number of Lok Sabha seats from 525 to 545. 42nd Amendment Act 76, right to property, a legal right. 44th Amendment Act 1978, education, forest, weights and measures were added to concurrent list. How many of the above pairs are correct? Then question number 3, 84th Amendment Act 2001 extended ban on readjustment of seats in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies up to 2026. 88th Amendment made elementary education a fundamental right and Article 21A added in the Constitution. Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Santhali added in 8th schedule under 92nd Amendment Act 2003. 97th Amendment Act 2011 made the right to form cooperative societies a fundamental right. How many of the above statements are correct? Now see the question number 4. Again, consider the following pairs. 83rd Amendment Act 2000, no reservation of scheduled castes in panchayats in Arunachal Pradesh. 91st Amendment Act 2003, total number of ministers, including PM, in Central Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of total strength of the Lok Sabha. 89th Amendment Act 2003, bifurcated erstwhile combined National Commission for Scheduled Castes and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. 97th Amendment Act 2011 added a new directive principle of state policy on promotion of cooperative societies, Article 43B. Question number 5, 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act 2019 abolished Anglo-Indian reserved seats in Parliament and state legislature. Reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies was extended till 2030 by 104th Constitutional Amendment to 2019. Delimitation of Lok Sabha constituencies was kept on hold till 2026 by 84th Amendment Act 2002. Then Delimitation Commission of India is an independent body whose orders can be challenged in any court of law. Question number 6, Last delimitation exercise for Lok Sabha and state assemblies constituencies was done in 1971. Under Fifth Amendment Act 2021 restored the powers of state government to prepare socially and educationally backward classes list. 128th Amendment Act 2023 seeks to reserve 1/3 of total number of seats in Lok Sabha and state legislative assemblies for women. Ninth schedule was added in the Constitution by First Amendment Act 1951. Now we come to question number 7. Consider the following statements. Advocate General of the state is a constitutional body under Article 76. Advocate General of the state is appointed by the governor. Term of office of Advocate General is fixed by the Constitution. Advocate General holds office during the pleasure of governor. How many of the above statements are correct? Now, question number 8. Attorney General is appointed by the President under Article 165 of the Constitution. The Attorney General holds office during the pleasure of President. The remuneration of Attorney General is fixed by the Constitution. Fourth statement is, he has the right to speak and to take part in the proceedings of both the Houses of Parliament or their joint sitting and any committee of Parliament of which he may be named a member, but without a right to vote. How many of the above statements are correct? Now, next question. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by the President under Article 148 of the Constitution. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India holds office for a period of 6 years or up to the age of 65, whichever is earlier. He can be removed by the President on the same grounds and in the same manner as a judge of the Supreme Court. He controls the finance system of the country at central level only. How many of the above statements are correct? And last question, very important. Consider the following. First is Gram Sabha. Second, State Election Commission. Third, wards committees. Fourth, Cantonment Board. How many of the above are constitutional body? Only one, only two, only three, all four. You have to attempt. प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, आपको इसी पैटर्न पे स्टैटिक के मॉक टेस्ट बहुत सारे मिलेंगे जिनकी मैंने कोई कमिटमेंट नहीं की अपने कोर्स में. सिर्फ 4,900 का पूरे साल चलेगा, जिसमें 100% करंट अफेयर्स के 5,000 से ज्यादा एमसीक्यूज, करीब करीब कितनी स्टेटमेंट होगी देखिए आप, 20,000. मतलब करंट अफेयर्स क्या मास्टर हो जाओगे फरवरी 2025 तक. और इसी तरह मैं आपको टेस्ट करता रहूंगा, एनवायरमेंट, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, एग्रीकल्चर, सभी तरह के मॉक टेस्ट देके और करंट अफेयर्स के जो है फुल लेंथ मॉक टेस्ट आपको मिलेंगे. तो इमीडिएटली आप इसको 2025 कोर्स को ज्वाइन कीजिए और उससे बचे. 2-3 साल प्रीलिम क्वालिफाई नहीं होता जीएस पेपर 1, उससे बचे. थैंक यू वेरी मच, टेक केयर.